I'm Terry Powell, a patient of Dr. McCain, recently had orthoscopic knee surgery. But for years, I have been swimming at Harbison Rec Center a couple of times a week, and sometimes have done exercises given to me by a therapist. And I have found that some degenerative spine trouble is a lot less bothersome when I do that. It doesn't put pressure on my knees or my other parts of my body, and it's psychologically so beneficial too. And it helps me with weight maintenance. So I've seen some research on the benefits of water aerobics and swimming, and I even taught myself to swim better and to breathe and blow out. But it was worth it because I can't wait. That's one exercise I look forward to, and I highly recommend it for pain relief because you strengthen the muscles even if you don't get rid of the origin of your pain.